Welcome to the Lee family.
Hello! Happy Chinese New Year to all of you guys. Our auntie and uncle give the kids some money, and this is what they got for the gifted money. So can you guys show what we have right here?
We have my Elvis Flyers here. We have a Ben 10 watch right here. My toy just brought.
And then there's the LL doll. This is a new series.
Yeah.
What is the series, Banchaya?
You will hear how it has a mirror, secret brushes.
Can't see. You have to show it to mommy. Yeah, it's a new. I think it has like real hairs in there, and you can decorate, and there's all type of surprise in there. And then behind we got Thomas Train and friends. Yeah, that's for Jiang. Okay, Fugong, show us what you got.
Look, so Banya's about to open her LOL, so I'm gonna tell by mine. So this can make sounds, and it can make, and you can turn it around, and when you press it, it turns on, and if you press again, it says sounds. So you can turn it, and you can wear it on too.
That's pretty cool. So
and you can do it like this.
What else can you do?
That's all.
Okay, so you can turn it, spin it.
If you wait too long, it'll turn off. Then if you press it again, it'll make like that sound. Just wait.
Let me see.
Wait. It's gonna take a while.
Oh, okay. So that turns on. Does it
so,
light up?
So it makes different sound.
It makes different sounds as you turn it around. Okay. Cool. Okay, we have to wait for Budget to open her. See how many surprises are in there. I think it says there's 15 surprises in there, but we'll see how it looks like. So, guys, we're about to open this.
Yay, Mommy, let me have it.
See what's inside.
Why look?
Oh, look at the hair. Oh, I want to see it. I want to see it. Oh, look at these hair. Can you guys? Oh, you guys can't feel it. It's real hair. No, it's fake hair. It feels nice. Ooh.
Oh, I popped her.
Pop her head. Yeah, put it back. Gong's going crazy with his watch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look.
Like,
But he has a cute little swimsuit.
Oh, Samisu, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you sure we can put her in the water? Because she has so much hair. Let's see. So these are the different bags that comes with different surprises in there. Banjaya already opened this one. Has a comb.
I can open it myself.
Cute. Yeah, she can open it herself now. She's a big girl. She doesn't really need mommy to help her anymore.
Oh my, look at his beautiful dress.
Look at the beautiful dress.
Now one more surprise.
See the dress. One more surprise.
Yeah.
Ooh, look like Princess Belle's dress.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, tiara.
A tiara, nice. Put on top of her hair. Let me see.
Tiara.
That is a big one.
Look like a boy like tiara.
Look like a pony tiara.
Yeah, this like this.
Is there something in here? Up here? There must be. Oh, I don't think there's anything in there.
Oh, ID card.
Oh, there is. I see a surprise in there. You had to open this part too. Oh, there it is.
Oh, what hairspray?
The hairspray?
This kind of hairspray.
You mean like she has to? This is like you put her in here. Yeah, you put her in here so that way her hair can like, I don't know what you do with those. I never been to the salon to do that before. So mommy can't really help you with that.
Wait, I think you put a lot of water in this and spray. Oh, there.
I don't know. Ooh, what is that? Is that for the hair too? Oh, that's for, okay. You put it in and then you carry. So guys, we put the handles in and now we got it all together. So after Banya is done with all the surprises, she can put it in here and then she carry it everywhere that she goes. Okay guys, you can't really see anything here except that it's just sparkling on the LL doll like this. See? You see this sparkling? Okay, hold on. Let Banjaya show to us what she got.
I got this a very cool L doll. He has real here. A beautiful dress here. He have like a square that looks like a bottle here. I got the back here. Wait, where's the jellyware?
The what?
The jellyware.
The jellyware?
Yeah, you take it.
I took it? I didn't know. What jellyware? You mean, the jellyware, the purple jellyware?
Yeah, you just take it.
No. It's somewhere. Oh, it's right there. It's over there.
Oh, Chloe, stop touching my toy.
No, he's not even touching it. It was just over there by accident. Oh my goodness.
I was trying to give it to her.
Okay, so Banya got this one and we have to go and test it out to see if it's gonna change color, okay? Let's do it.
Let's do it.
So Banjaya is so creative. She decorated the little tube here with these beautiful stickers.
Mommy.
Yes. So we're gonna
Someone
open
put some
her up.
water in there.
Yeah. We're gonna open it up and then put her in the water to see if she changed color. Okay, put it in there. Guys, this is how she looks like, okay?
Ooh.
And then we're gonna put her in there. Here we go. See? You see the change color?
Wait, I don't see it.
See?
I don't see it. Wait.
Whoa!
I don't see it. I just want to keep it.
You want to keep it like this?
Yeah. Maybe I
Look
just
at that. Oh, Banjaya, that's like the same as your dress. Oh my goodness, so cute. Okay, guys, we assembled all the trains, the Thomas train together, and here's how it looks like. Yang loves these. Thomas is just running around. We have an extra Thomas train here too. She got that for Christmas.
No.
So here we
I
go.
got this already. You already know. I already got it, guys. So you already showed it, yeah? Don't want to go. Mine on my way. I'm not gonna get on my way.
There you go. It's stuck. Thomas, stuck. Okay. There you go. Good job. Yeah. He doesn't like anything on his track. Don't bother him too much. He doesn't like anything on his track.
I just put it right there.
Look at that.
Oh no! Boom! Here. Oh, I just twisted. Like boom. He's going crazy and he just.
Oh, it's stuck. Thomas is stuck. Julian, what are you gonna do? There we go. Good job.
Push the button.
So guys, we just added this extension here. And then this is from a previous one that we got for GA. So all we need to do is just move this, and then if you face it this way,
and
okay,
lock it like this.
then it's gonna go that way.
Wait, how about I take
Versus
off?
going this way. So
How
it's
about
gonna
I
go
just
that
put-
way.
How about I just put this book in
So
the bus?
GA loves trains. Like we got this for him.
Yeah, because our J likes straight everywhere.
Okay. So next, we're gonna go and show. God's gonna show us how he's gonna play with his little gadget there. Go.
That's all.
Go. How about, Buddy, how about you use your LOL doll to fight against the goal? Oh, careful, careful. She's eating that.
Thank you, Uncle and Auntie. Thank you for the money. I love it. Thank you, Uncle and Auntie. I love it. And I have my watch here. And I have my LL doll here. Her name was like he was telling the tree. Right? Yeah.
Okay. Tia, say thank you.
Bye.